Hi artists, so today we're going to do just a little bit of learning before we dive into our lesson, and I want to talk about an art term, okay? The word is abstract, and I want to talk to you about what it means. So something is abstract when they change one of the elements of art to make it not so real. When I used to be a little girl, we would go to a snow cone stand and there was a pink elephant statue, a huge statue at the snow cone stand. And since pink elephants are not real, they changed the color. That makes that statue abstract instead of real. So there are all kinds of examples of different things that have had different textures, colors, values, shapes to make things not so real. So we worked on our realistic flowers or our still life a few weeks ago. It's actually behind me on the board. And so this week we are going to create an abstract vase of flowers, because you see the shape of the flowers is not really real. What did we use for the shape of the flowers? That's right, we use the letters of the alphabet. So use letters of the alphabet so that the shape is not real for the flowers, and that makes this an abstract vase of flowers. I'm going to give you very quick directions so that you know what to do as far as adding paint to this, and cannot wait to see what you do. Hi artists, since we've learned what the word abstract means, now is the time to add some color to our abstract flowers. So you will need red, yellow, and blue paints, as well as a water cup. If you don't have paints, the next best thing is going to be oil pastels. But if you don't have that, you can use what you do have around your house. I am going to get started with the blue paint, but you can choose whatever color you want. When I'm coloring in, I'm going to start by going close to my letter, and I want to make sure to really take my time so I don't cover up that black if I can help it. So when I'm ready to change colors, what I want to do is bounce, bounce, bounce on the bottom of the cup. I need to push it against the inside to get the extra water out. Now I can choose a new color, and remember, the first thing that I want to do is what I do when I color. So I'm going to put a fence around my letters to try not to go over the top of them. I'm running a little bit low on yellow, so I'm just gonna get some more yellow so that I can continue going. And if you go over your letters just a little bit, that's not a problem at all. So here's where this project starts to get a little bit magical. So I am going to bounce, bounce, bounce on the bottom of the cup, push it against the inside to get the extra water out. Now grab a new color, and I'm gonna go right over the top of the yellow that I just did so the colors can mix together. What color do you predict that we'll make? Oh my goodness, it's happening. Look at, I'm getting my orange here. Isn't that super fun to see? So fun. It works better when your paint is nice and wet so that those colors can really blend together nicely. I've added a spot of red right here. What is going to happen if I mix a little bit of blue with that red? Let's see. So I'm going to start around the edge to add that fence. Now blue is really, really dark, so I may have actually added too much blue. We'll see. It's starting to turn violet down here. Got a little bit of purple. It's a really dark purple, but it is a little bit of purple. And now I'm gonna do a little trick to save myself some time. So I think I want purple down here in the vase. So I can just take my paintbrush, because it's got blue and red in it, and start to use that to spread. And then I can get some of that purple down below. Now I want this paint to go a little further, and it looks like it's running out. So I'm gonna take my paintbrush and just dip it in a little bit of water to see if I can move that purple down to the bottom and color this whole space in. Now it gets a little bit lighter when we get more water in it, and that is a-okay. Color in all of your abstract flowers, and when you're done, take a picture, post it on Flipgrid or in Google Classroom. I can't wait to see what you've done. Bye.